Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact frame you want viewers to see first. Once selected, tidy up layers and name frames so navigation is predictable. Then open the prototype panel and set the device and orientation. This determines viewport dimensions and pixel-perfect behavior. Make sure to set the start frame here so present opens correctly. Also pick a background color or transparent canvas to match final context. This small step avoids awkward visual jumps when you move into interactive testing. Now create the actual flows by dragging interaction handles to target frames and choosing triggers like click or drag. This defines how a user moves through your design. Once done, pick animation types and timings. Smart Animate helps preserve element continuity. Use overlays for modals, fixed positioning for headers, and enable vertical or horizontal scrolling where necessary. Also link component variants for toggles and states, so your prototype behaves like a real app. Make sure hotspots align with visible elements to avoid invisible tap targets. Finally, enter present mode and walk through your interactions as a user would, checking timing, hit targets, and component states. Once satisfied, use Figma Mirror or generate a shareable prototype link and set permissions so testers can access it. Also export a short recording or screenshots for stakeholders. If the preview doesn't load, first reload the file and confirm the start frame is set. Then clear your browser cache or Figma desktop cache and verify network or permission settings. Most issues come from cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.